Welcome to problem number 6 of Properties of Logarithms homework for Mrs. Sable's I Can't Even series. We are asked to condense each equation into a single logarithm and simplify if possible. Okay, so immediately my first goal is going to be to try to get this in parentheses to equal 1 logarithm. I notice that I have a subtraction sign, and the subtraction sign makes me think of my quotient property rule, in which the first number becomes a numerator and the second number becomes a denominator and a fraction for a new logarithm. I will do that with this problem here. Log base 3 of a to the 4th as the numerator over b as a denominator. I will bring everything else straight down. Next, I see that I have 2 logarithms separated by an addition sign. Now, when I see addition, it makes me think of the product property of logarithms, which I haven't filled in yet. The product property of logarithms requires you to separate 2 numbers, 2 factors, in here, into 2 separate logarithms divided by a plus sign. First, I will have log base b of the first number, m, and I will add to that log base b of my second number, n. I will go down here and do that with these numbers. Note that we're going backwards, and instead of separating into 2 logarithms, we are condensing to create 1 logarithm. So we will multiply these 2 numbers, a to the 7th times a to the 4th over b. My instructions ask me to simplify if able, and I see that I can simplify this expression in here. I will multiply straight across, remembering that I have an invisible 1 right here. So a to the 7th times a to the 4th. That requires me to think back to my exponent rules. When I have products, I add the exponents. So now I have a to the 7 plus 4, which gives me a to the 11th power. Then in my denominator, I have 1 times b, which is simply b.